Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect VS Code with your Salesforce organization. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to open our Visual Code or Visual Studio Code, and then we will be able to open our program. So basically, first we need to have your CLI that is included means by that the Salesforce CLI it should be added in your computer or Windows. So to make sure or to verify, you will need just to type SF and it should show this command means that the command line is on. Also, you will need just to install the extension pack. So just search for the Salesforce extension pack and basically you will need to have it installed. So here make sure that it's installed, and basically now we will be able to start connecting our Salesforce with our Visual Studio Code. So basically here just type the sfdx, and basically here we will need just to authorize an organization. To do so, you will need just to choose from this. Either you can authorize a sandbox, enter a custom login URL, or a production or a project URL. So from in my case, I will just add my production URL, and I'm just going to copy it from here. I'm just to copy and paste, and then go back to the Salesforce and do the same process. SFDX authorize an organization. I will add my URL, and now I will be running to login in our with my Salesforce. So here you will need just to add your username, your password, your login, and then you allow the permission or authorize Salesforce to use uh, Visual Studio Code, and you will have them connected. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.